If I destroyed a bulletin board or trashed a classroom, I took away from the community. How do I give back to it? Once that child is calm, or once they've spent the rest of their day in whatever office or whatever, they come back the next day, I always save some of the trash to the classroom for them to clean up. I never fully clean it up myself. We've got to be really careful that we don't be looking at consequences as having no attachments to the misbehavior. And you might think that you don't have control over consequences. No, you don't stay after school and give detentions or anything like that. But you certainly can be thinking, well, wait a second, you just drew on that desk, wash it. You know, you could write a kid up for it, but you can always say, wash the desk, clean that up. You're going to replace the bulletin board in the hallway during your free center time, or during your activity time, or even maybe during your recess time. Oh my goodness. Okay, because you destroyed the bulletin board and now other people don't have access to it. So you do that on your time. But you don't sit there and do nothing or do the classwork you missed while you were destroying the bulletin board. We do that too. We say, okay, here's the work you missed while you were destroying the bulletin board. That makes no sense. That ship sailed. That work is done. You already got your 0. Repair that bulletin board.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.